Hey guys, Colton Hinkle here again with Sherrod Customs, and I want to show you another piece of product that we have available with our friends at Salem Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram that's really exciting. So this is our Eclipse Edition Ram 1500. The Eclipse Edition comes standard with a lot of things. I'm going to walk around the truck and show them to you. Alrighty guys, so first off we have the optional hood scoop just like on the other truck. Again, that is not a stick-on hood scoop, that is built into the hood. We also have body color fender flares on the front and rear. 22-inch wheels are standard on this vehicle, as well as a 6-inch lift. This does have the Eclipse Edition badging as well. The fender vents here on both sides, and this is also comes with the power deployable running boards as a standard feature. So again, even though this truck has a nice big 6-inch lift, you still have the ability to get in and out of it very easily, right? So back here we have the hard tonneau cover. This does have the performance exhaust exchange as well. Got the black tips on the back. But again, this is built on a Bighorn chassis, so really well equipped truck. Definitely will be a good one for someone. So let's go inside and I can show you some of the stuff we have in there. All right guys, inside the Eclipse Edition, you'll notice a couple things. One, we have the exposed carbon fiber look trim pieces throughout the cabin. We also have our white labeled custom black leather diamond stitch with the Eclipse logo and the headrests. And again, this is built on a Bighorn chassis, so it comes with the big screen, dual climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, push to start, remote start, built-in navigation, all the things that we kind of want and expect in a new vehicle, this has. So I think you'll be really impressed with this truck. Come see our friends at Salem Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram to take it for a test drive today. Thank you.